Hello my dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, already in the last session we have seen HCF, that is highest common factor, or another name for that is greatest common divisor. How to find out the HCF of a given number, how to find the HCF by long division method also. Today, similar way for the multiples children. For HCF, we are finding with the factors. Now for the LCM children, with the help of multiples, how to find out the LCM we will see. That is lowest common multiple. So let us understand how to solve with the example. One multiple, lowest common multiple stand for LCM. You should know the full form of that. Okay. So now to find the LCM also children, at least minimum we require 2 numbers or more than 2 numbers, because we have to find out the common in that. Understood? Okay. Do now we have to find out the multiples of 6 also and multiples of 15. Now what is meant by multiples? Already we have learned. Multiples means multiplication number, that table. Understood? So first let us find out the multiples of 6 and multiples of 15. Now children, here keep in the mind, multiples are infinite. Okay. And here mostly they ask for you common. What they ask? Common. Maybe 2 common numbers or 3 common numbers, 4 common numbers according to the question. What we have to do? First, always write minimum 10 multiples of any given number. Okay. And then if in that you are getting common, well and good. But if you are not getting according to the question, then you have to continue with the more extra multiples. Okay. So let us do now. For example, now multiples of 6. So which are the multiples of 6? Means it is a table. So you have to write 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54 and 6 10 is 60. And please write here as a dot dot, means it is a continue process. Now same way, let us write the multiples of 15 also children, means table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Again same it is for the continue process. Okay. Now let us see whether in this both the multiples of 6 and 15 we are getting common first 2 multiples. Means first 2 starting. 6 is common, not there. 12 not there. 18 not there. 24 not there. 30 is there children. So our first common in both the number is 30. Now, let us continue. 45 is there, not there. 60. 60 is common children. So, here we got both the 2 common number. So, we have to write, so, the first 2 common multiples of 6 and 15 is equal to 30 and 60. 30 and 60. Okay. So like this you people have to always first write the multiples of a given number, and according to the question, first 2 common number, 3 common number or 4 common number you have to find out and you have to write. But both the multiples should be common in both the numbers. That you have to keep in the mind. Understood? And like this you have to continue. If up to 10, if you are not getting any common, then again continue with that further. Okay? Understood? Dear children, we have to find out the multiples of 2, multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. Here 3 numbers are there. And after finding the multiples, then we have to see the common between all 3 numbers. First 5 common multiples. If we are not getting within 10 numbers, we have to continue with the next. So let us first write 2 multiples up to 10. So multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, and so on. Similar way, multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Similar way, multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Now children, at least up to 10 we have written each number multiples. Now in this let us see how many common multiples we are getting. So 2 is common in all numbers? No. Then let us go for 4. Not there. Then 6. 6 is also not there in 4 table. Then let us move for 8. 8 is also not there. Then let us move for 12. 12 is common. So first common number is 12 in all the 3 numbers. It should be common in all the 3 number children. Okay. Then so first let us write and keep here. So of 2, 4 and 6 is equal to, okay, so first common multiple is 12 we got here. Now let us move for next one. 14 is common in all number? Not there. Then 18 is common? Not there. 3 numbers, it is not there. 20 is common? Not there children. Then let us continue with this 2 table. After 20, 22 is a multiple. Then we'll get here 24. After that 26, 28. Then up to 30. Let us try up to 30. Okay. So 20 is not common in all the 3 numbers. Then 22 is also not present. Then 24 is present children. So second common multiple is 24 in all the 3 numbers. So second common multiple is 24. Now 26 is present in all the 3 numbers? No. Then 28, not there. Then 30 is not present. Then let us continue with this number. After 30, 32, then 34, then 36, then 38, then still we have to continue. After 38, here it is 40. Okay. Now let us see. 28 is not present. 30 is present, not present. 32 is also not present. Then 36 is present in all the 3 numbers children. If you see here and here also. Am I right? So we have to take the next number is 36. Okay. Now after 40. Now here 2 numbers are up to 40. Still we require the number because 3 number we got. Still 2 numbers left. Now after 40 children, first let us find out the multiples of 2. After 40, 42, then 44, then 46, then 48 and 50. Okay. Now let us continue with the 4 also. After 40, 44, 44 after that 48 and then 52. Now if you observe here, 48 is common in 48 is present in multiple of 2, 48 is present in multiple of 4 and 48 is present in multiple of 6 also. So in both all the three numbers 48 is present. Common multiple is 48. Now one more we require because first 5 common multiples. Till now we got here only 4. Now let us still continue with this. After 50 children, next multiple is 52. After that 54. After that 56. Then 58. Then 60. And after that 62. Okay. So let us continue with here also. Now 52 is there here. But 52 is not present here. Then 54 is not there. So let us continue. After 52 we get here 56. After 56 60. After 60 64. Now if you observe here we get here 60 common in 2 also, in 4 also and here in the 6 table also. So like this. So the next common multiple is 60. So here we get children all the 5 common multiples in all the 3 number. If still we are not getting, we have to go on continue with all the 3 numbers. Up to 60 we have seen in 2 table and 4 table also. If you would have not got, then 6 also table we have to continue similar way. And like this till we get the common multiples in all the 3 numbers, we have to go on writing the multiples and we have to find out the common multiples according to the question. Maybe the first 2 common, first 3 common, first 4 common, 5, 6 and so on. So maybe the 2 numbers are given, all 3 or 4. Each number we have to find out the multiples and then among that all the 3 or 4 numbers we have to see the common multiples. Understood? Example 6 and 10. Now these 2 numbers are given. Let us do the solution answer. We have to find out the 6 multiple, also the 10 multiple and in that lowest one. L stand for lowest common multiple. Means least common, smallest. So let us take the 6 multiple first up to 10 at least minimum I told to write. So 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60 and little wait. Now 10. 10, 10 to the 20, 30, 40, 10 by the 50, 10 6 to 60, 10 7 to 70, 10 8 is 80, 10 9 is 90, 10 10 is 100 and wait. Now in this we have to see the common multiples. Now 6 is common, no. 12 is common, no. 18 not there, 24 not there, 30 is there children. So first common multiple here we got here 30. Then 36 is not there, 42 is also not there, 48 not there, 54 not there, but 60 is common children. At least we got minimum 2 common multiples. So what we have to write? So LCM of 6 and 10 is equal to 30. Understood? Lowest common multiple. It is common in both the number. These are the multiples of a number and it is a lowest, smallest, least one. Okay, of 2 numbers. Understood? Like this we have to find out the LCM of a given number. Lowest common multiple. What we have done? First write the multiples. Minimum up to 10 you write. Then if you require we can continue. Then once you return whatever, if it is 2 numbers given or 3 numbers given. After writing the multiples, then try to find out the common between them. Whatever we are getting the common and which is the first common is getting, that is the lowest one, smallest one. So that is the LCM of a given number. The first multiples of 8 up to 10 numbers. 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay. Then let us write 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Then of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Okay. Now here, so what let us write and keep LCM of 8, 10 and 20. Let us find out now. So 8 is common, not there. Then 16 is present in all three numbers, not there. 24, no. 32, no. 40 is present, children. 40 is present in 8 table also, in 10 table also, and 20 table also. Any other common is present? 80 is present in 8 table, 10 table, and even 20 table. But lowest, smallest one is what? 40. So LCM of 8, 10 and 20 is 40. Like this, you people have to find out the LCM, lowest common multiple of a given 2 numbers, 3 numbers and so on. Understood? So children, I hope you people have understood how to find out the LCM of a given any 2 or 3 or more than that numbers. So please go through the exercise, practice the example. Today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new subtopic. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care, children.